What's up, Seed Squad? It's NigelSeed back again, and today we are going to be learning how to fight in Minecraft. You know, we went through, getting started, building your house, whatever, but now we're about to learn how to deal with the true enemies in Minecraft, which are mobs. I'm going to teach you how to deal with them. So, let's get right into it. Okay, so first, we're going to go through the tools of the trade. That's the word, right? I think that's the term for weaponry. Number one, the most basic Minecraft weapon is the sword. So we're gonna go to our weapons, and let me tell you something. There are different materials that swords can be made out of. We have wood, stone, iron, gold, diamond, and our newest addition, netherite. Okay? In that order, it goes from least powerful to most powerful, switching gold and iron because something's weird with gold and iron. Gold is placed after, but it's less powerful than iron. I don't know what's up with that. So the most powerful weapon in this game is the netherite sword, which is going to take you a while to get, but it's all right. Now, aside from swords, there are actually a lot more weapons, because if you go here, look at how much stuff is in here. This is called what? There used to be equipment, exactly. So there are actually swords as well as axes, pickaxes, shovels, and hoes. Okay, that's the exact same thing with all of the materials. So wood, stone, gold, then iron, even though it's switched here, diamond, then netherite. So I'm gonna get the best of each weapon just so you know what I'm talking about here. So you have a netherite axe, netherite pickaxe, netherite shovel, and a netherite hoe. Now let me tell you something very, very weird. Okay, so swords are the most basic weapon to use in this game. But what's super strange, you're not gonna believe this, okay? You're not gonna believe what I'm about to tell you. Axes are literally stronger than swords. But people always use swords to fight. Now, you're probably wondering, why do people use swords to fight if axes are stronger? That's the trade-off, see? Axes are stronger, but they're also slower. So, here's the deal. If you only plan on taking one hit on an enemy and knocking it right out, use an axe. But if you're about to get into a real fight where you need some speed to hit, use a sword, okay? Keep that in your mind. Then pickaxes, shovels, and hoes, those are all other things that you could use. They aren't really powerful at all, so I won't suggest using those unless it's for like their actual, uses. So pickaxes for mining, shovels for destroying dirt and sand, and hoses for gardening, seeds and stuff. Oh, and I almost forgot. We've been talking about offense so much, now we need to talk about defense, okay? So now, instead of going through weapons, we're going through armor. And there are 4 different pieces of armor. There are helmets, chest plates, leggings, and boots. Now, the chest plate is the strongest piece of armor. It takes up the most space, your entire torso. Okay, so here's the thing with the materials, all right? It goes leather, chain, or chain mail. That's what I normally call it. Chain mail is actually from the medieval times. That was actually something that knights used in their armor. Just something that you can keep in your brain. Some knowledge from Nigel. Now, the materials are leather, chain, iron, gold, diamond, and of course, netherite again. And netherite again is going to be the strongest material. So we've got a netherite chest plate, same thing with helmets, all the same materials, netherite helmet, netherite leggings, and of course, netherite boots. Now, I'm going to put all of these on just for my little demonstration that I'm about to give you. On all of these, of course, dripped out now. All right, peep me. Look at me, dripped out. Did my Minecraft guy just blink? That was so weird. Look at me. He's just blinking again. Dripped out. Look at that. The full netherite fit. Hold up. We walking on the runway now. Wait a second. Runway walk, of course. Oh, look at him with the netherite fit. What is that? Is that Dior netherite on his shoes? Oh my goodness. What is that? All right, Seed Squad. We've talked enough about preparation for fighting. It's time that we actually fight, okay? So here's what I'm gonna do. I have creepers, zombies, skeletons, spiders, and endermen. So here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna spawn each of them, and I'm gonna show you how to fight them. So first off, we have the creeper. One of the most dangerous mobs in this game, because here's what they do. They will literally just explode once they get near you. So let me run away from that. I just had to give you a demonstration. Now we're gonna learn how to fight them. Here's what you're gonna do. Once you see a creeper, okay, what you're gonna do is run at it, hit it, and then back up as fast as you can. And you're just gonna keep doing that. It's a slow process, but let me tell y'all, it works. And sometimes it literally might even blow up. So that's exactly how you'll fight a creeper. Let me show you again. You just run at it, hit it, back up. Run at it, hit it, back up. And then, see? Didn't even take that many hits and it's dead now. Okay, that's how you fight a creeper. You just run at it, hit it, back up until it dies. Now we have the zombie. Time set night. And now I'm gonna place a zombie here. And this zombie is gonna slowly run at me. Now don't be fooled, it has short arms, so you're probably thinking, oh, I can just hit that if I have a sword on me. Nope. They have a very long reach. I don't know what it is. I think they have like some kind of invisible extension on their arms that just allows them to hit really far. Because look at this. Not even near me and it hits me. So here's what you're gonna do. There's literally no strategy. All you're gonna do is just run at this thing and just hit it until it dies. That's all you're gonna do. Okay, no strategy at all. Just hit it. Look at this. Hit him, you know, back up after each couple hits. Oh, don't do that, because then they'll hit you. And if it has armor on it, oh, here's another smart thing. If it's daytime and you see a zombie, guess what it'll do? Burn up. That's it. So, if you see a zombie in the daytime, don't even worry about fighting it because it'll just burn up to a crisp before you get to it. But, if it's an armored zombie, look at this. If I spawn enough zombies, I'll get an armored zombie soon. Let's see. Where are the armored ones? Look, see? See how all of them are burning up except for that one right there? Why is that? Because it has a helmet on it. So it's not gonna burn up because it's blocked off because it's blocking the sun. So if you see an armored zombie, kill it with force. Don't wait for it to burn up because it won't happen. So look, let me show you. Spawn a million zombies. For some reason, none of them are armed. Why are they running? Okay, I need to stop spawning. Jeez, stop. I'm trying to give a demonstration here. Relax. Relax. Why? I literally just I just spawned like 30 zombies and none of them were armored. Well, chill. Okay, I gotta go. I'm sorry. Let me cheat real quick. I'm sorry. Game of Creative. Woo! There we go. Okay, they're not coming after me anymore. Let me leave now. That was a bit scary. Okay, back into my demonstrations. And now I'm teaching you how to fight a skeleton. See how I'm just going through the basic, just the basic mobs here. Skeletons also burn up in the sun. So I'll have to set it to time. I'll have to set it to night. Okay, it's nighttime and there's a skeleton. Oh, they're fighting each other. Never mind. Let's run over here. They're fighting me now. Oh, he won. So here's what you're gonna do, okay? You see a skeleton, you're gonna instantly run right behind the tree. See how it is there? Watch it. See? It comes around the tree. So then you just hit it from the other side. Let me show you again. Skeleton, right? I go to the other side of the tree. Hit it. Oh, wait, hit it. Then I hide behind the tree. And they're kind of fast. They're kind of fast, so that might not be like the best plan, but it works if you have armor. Skeletons are a harder mob, okay? And then last but not least, we have the spider, which is a very easy thing to kill. So here's what you're gonna do. It's gonna attack you, right? All you're gonna do is they run up to you, but they take a long time to actually hit. So look at this. They run up to me, right? It sees me, but it literally has to get that close to me before it can hit me. So all you're gonna do is wait for it to run up, and before it gets in your reach, you're gonna hit it. Before you get into the reach of the spider, but while it's in the reach of you, you're gonna hit it. Does that make sense? I hope that made sense to you.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Let me show you again, okay? It runs at me, right? I hit it before it can hit. What? That spider had a bounce. That spider just flew. That spider must have had on like some Jordans or something. Some original Jordan 1s bouncing like that. Seed Squad, I really hope that you learned at least a little bit about Minecraft today, because I know that I did. And if you did, go watch another video right now, please, so we can keep learning stuff about Minecraft together. And I'll see you there. Peace out.